Welcome to this guided, mindful body scan practice for beginners. In this session, you will be doing a full body scan practice. This is a time for you to practice bringing your awareness right into your body and into your present experience, whatever that may be. See if you can let go of expectations, the natural tendency to want things to be a certain way, and just allow your experience to be exactly as you find it. So, choosing a time and place where you can be comfortable and undisturbed. The body scan is usually done lying down. It is also fine to do it in a chair, if lying down does not feel comfortable. But if it is okay for you, lying down on your back, perhaps on a mat or rug, or your bed if you can stay awake, maybe with a blanket to keep warm. Settling your posture so it is comfortable. Either with your legs stretched out and feet falling away from each other, or with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, if you prefer. Your arms can rest alongside your body, with the palms facing upward, and allowing your eyes to close if this feels right for you. Seeing if it is possible now to let go of any unnecessary holding or tightness within your body. Just allowing your body to rest here, letting yourself sink into the floor, into the earth. Feeling the places where your body makes contact with the floor, or mat, or bed. Your heels or feet. Backs of legs. Your buttocks. Your lower back. Upper back and shoulders. Backs of arms and hands. The back of your head. Feeling your connection to the earth. And letting the weight of your body sink, knowing that the ground will support you. And remembering now that the intention in this practice is simply to be with your experience. There is no goal to achieve, except to be attentive to your experience, as best you can, moment by moment. Being gentle with yourself, letting go of the tendency to judge yourself. There's no right way to do this practice. There is no success or failure. You are not even trying to become relaxed and calm, just being with whatever comes up, bringing a kind and gentle curiosity to whatever arises in each moment. So, bringing your awareness now to your breath. Becoming aware of your breath moving in and out of your body. Simply noticing the flow of air. Perhaps just placing your hand on your belly for a few breaths to allow yourself to feel the rise and fall of your breath as it enters and leaves. Rising on your in-breath and falling on your out-breath. Like a balloon, expanding and falling back. Noticing that very naturally without struggle, your in-breath is followed by an out-breath. Sometimes, during your practice, you may find sensations arising that can feel difficult to be with. And if that happens, you can always choose to bring your awareness back to the movement of your breath as an anchor. You will also notice that your mind will wander, perhaps often, and this is not a problem. This is what minds do. The task here is to simply notice whenever your mind wanders away. Then to gently and kindly turn your attention to the part of your body you are focusing on. So now, moving your awareness from your breathing and allowing your attention to travel down through your body, down your left leg, into the toes of your left foot. Tuning in to any sensations here in this moment. There's no need to move your toes or shape your experience in any way. Just noticing whatever is here in the toes of your left foot. What can you feel, if anything? In your big toe? Your little toe? And middle toes, in between? Perhaps tingling? Cramping? Warmth or cold? Tightness or looseness? Maybe contact with a sock, or the contact of your toes with each other? Perhaps no sensation at all, just registering a feeling of blankness. What is that like? Tuning in to whatever sensations are here in the toes of your left foot. Now if this feels right for you, on your next in-breath, imagine or feel that you can breathe your breath all the way down through your body, right into the toes of your left foot. And then on your out-breath, breathing back up from your toes, up through your body, and out through your nose. Just play with this for your next few breaths. Breathing right down into your toes, and back out from your toes. And on your next out-breath, letting go of your focus on your toes, and moving your awareness to the bottom of your left foot. Exploring any sensations in the ball of your foot. Your arch. Your heel. The whole sole of your foot. Sensations of your skin in contact with your sock or blanket, and any feelings of contact with the floor. And moving your attention to the top of your left foot, with its muscles and bones. And your left ankle, perhaps noticing tightness or tenderness. Just tuning in to whatever is there. And now, on your next in-breath, allowing your breath to travel down your body. Down into your left foot. And then back out from your left foot. Imagining that you can fill the whole of your left foot with breath. Experimenting with this way of breathing for your next few breaths. Breathing in to and out from your left foot. On your next out breath, letting go of your left foot, and moving attention to your lower left leg. Your fleshy calf. Your shin bone. Perhaps noticing a feeling of heaviness. Pressure on the floor. Fullness or emptiness. Soreness in your calf muscles. Just exploring whatever is here, with a gentle curiosity. And when you're ready, moving up to your left knee. The soft underside of your knee. Its sides, ligaments and tendons. Your kneecap. A part of your body that does a lot of work, so perhaps a feeling of twinging, or aching, or no sensations. Remembering that when your mind wanders, it's natural, not a problem. Bringing your attention gently back to where you are right now, which is exploring the sensations in your left knee. And then, moving awareness up now, to your left thigh. The large, heavy bone of your thigh. Your muscles and flesh. Perhaps feeling the fullness and heaviness of your thigh bone, feeling contact with clothing, the mat or floor. Noticing any tension, tightness, or perhaps softness. Maybe feelings of blood flow in your thigh. Noticing how it's feeling in this moment. And now, widening your awareness to take in the whole of your left leg, like a wide beam of light, shining onto your leg, from your hip, right down to your toes. And on your next in-breath, imagining you can breathe right down into the whole of your left leg. And breathe back out from your left leg, out through your nose. Taking a few more breaths in this way, filling your left leg with breath, and breathing back out again from your left leg, up and out through your nose or mouth. On your next out-breath, letting go of your left thigh, and taking your attention down the right side of your body, into the toes of your right foot. Your big toe. Your middle toes. Your little toe. Perhaps feeling your toenails. Your bones. The contact between your toes. Perhaps noticing that some toes have more sensation than others. And from your toes, moving to the sole of your right foot. Your ball. Instep. Your heel. Feeling whatever is there. Moving over to the front of your foot, noticing any sensations on the surface and inside your right foot. Noticing any sensations in your right ankle, your Achilles tendon. Perhaps a tightness here. Perhaps no sensations. Then expanding your awareness to take in your right foot as a whole. And moving up to your right lower leg, your calf, and your shin. Any feeling of stiffness or looseness, pulsing or pressure. Just noticing whatever is there. And moving up to your right knee, your kneecap, the sides of your knee, the back of your knee. Feeling your way deep inside your knee. And now letting your right knee fade in your awareness. Moving up to your right thigh, your long, heavy bone, your muscles in the front and the back of your thigh. And remembering that if sensations arise at any time that feel intense or difficult to be with, you have the choice to gently explore your experience with kindness. Staying with it. Bringing a gentle inquisitiveness to what is here. Or, it's always fine to bring your focus back to your breathing. Using your breath as an anchor to come back to at any time. And now, inviting you to breathe in, with a sense of breathing into the whole of your right leg. And back out again from your leg. And continuing with this breathing. Bringing a wide beam of awareness into the whole of your right leg. And when you're ready, on an out breath, allowing your awareness of your right leg to fade. And bringing your focus of attention to your pelvic region. Your whole pelvic girdle. Your hip bones. Your buttocks and sacrum, resting on the floor, or mat, or chair. Your pelvic floor and your genitals. Just noticing any sensations in this area, or no sensations. Bringing a kind and gentle curiosity to whatever is here, right now. And taking an in-breath, imagining you can breathe into your entire pelvic region. Filling it with breath. And on an out-breath, letting go of this focus, and moving to your lower back. An area that can hold a lot of tension and pain. So if that's the case, gently exploring any sensations. Is there tightness? Sharpness? Dullness? Aching? Do your sensations change, or do they stay the same? And if you'd like to, allowing your breath to travel down your body. Breathing into your lower back. And breathing out from your lower back. And now, on an out breath, moving your attention up to the middle of your back. The back of your rib cage. Perhaps subtle sensations of your breath, moving in and out. Perhaps feeling contact with the floor, or chair. And then moving to your upper back. The backs of your shoulders. Shoulder blades and muscles here, another area where you may feel tension. Tightness. Or pain. Gently exploring with your awareness. Maybe seeing if you can soften to whatever is there. Letting go of your back now. And moving your awareness to the front of your body, right down to your belly. Feeling the movement of your breath. The walls of your abdomen, expanding and contracting. Tuning into any sensations in your belly area. Perhaps sensations of digestion. Maybe some tightness and clenching, softness, or openness. Feelings of emptiness, or fullness. Taking your awareness, right inside your belly. And exploring what's there, in the interior of your body. And when you're ready, moving up the front of your body to your rib cage. The area of your solar plexus. Your diaphragm. Again, perhaps feeling your breath, expanding and contracting in this area. Noticing any sensations of bracing and resisting. Openness or relaxation. And now bringing your focus upward, to your chest. Your breath moving here. Your nipples. Skin and chest muscles. And inside your chest, perhaps aware of your lungs, filling with air. Maybe aware of your heart. The beating of your heart. Noticing any sense of tenderness in this area. Shakiness or softness. Openness or tightness. Holding or numbness. Tuning into whatever is here in your heart area, allowing things to be as they are. And moving upward to the very top of your chest, your collarbones, and front of your shoulders. Perhaps feeling your breath moving subtly here, or no sensations here. There's no right or wrong way to feel. Just noticing your experience. And when your mind wanders, bringing it gently back to where you are now, in your collarbones and shoulders. And now, expanding your awareness to a sense of the whole of your torso. The trunk of your body, from your pelvis, up to your shoulders. Perhaps having some sense of all your internal organs and processes going on inside your torso. And then, on an in-breath, breathing into the whole of your torso. Filling it with air. And breathing out, from your torso. And on an out-breath, letting this awareness of your torso dissolve. And moving your focus now, down from your shoulders, down your arms. Right to your fingertips of both hands. Noticing any sensations here. Any tingling. Warmth or cold. Or the feeling of the air. And moving awareness into your fingers and thumbs. Your bones and joints. And into your hands. Any sensations in your palms. Tingling, dryness or dampness. Moving to explore the backs of your hands, perhaps feeling contact of your hands with your clothing, or floor, or blanket. And bringing your focus to your wrists. Your delicate skin. And right into your wrist bones. And when you're ready, moving awareness to your forearms. What can you notice here, right now? And then your elbows. Your softer insides. Your bony outer elbows. And now bringing attention to your upper arms. Your biceps. Your skin and flesh and bones. Exploring any sensations here. Perhaps heaviness, or lightness. Softness or firmness. And then moving up to your shoulders. Bringing awareness into any areas of tension, or tightness. Perhaps seeing if you can soften to those sensations. And now bringing your awareness to the whole of your arms. Like shining a wide beam of light onto the whole of your arms, from your fingers up to your shoulders. And imagining now that your breath can move right down into your arms, filling your arms, hands and fingers with breath on your in-breath, and traveling back out from your arms on your out-breath. On an out-breath, letting go of your arms and bringing attention now to your neck. Any sensations here? Perhaps tender or tight. Maybe noticing sensations in your throat when you swallow. And now bringing your focus to the back of your head. Perhaps feeling the weight of your head on the floor. And focusing on your ears. Can you feel anything in your ears, or just a blank perhaps? And now coming around to your face. Starting with your jaw. Maybe noticing any tension here. Exploring any sensations of aching or stiffness in your jaw on both sides. Moving to your chin. Your mouth. Your lips. Inside your mouth. Your teeth, tongue, and gums. Any sensations of wetness or dryness. Coming back out to your cheeks. And now to your nose. Sensations of breathing in your nostrils. Moving up to your eyes. Maybe soreness in your eyes. Your eyelids and lashes. Your eyebrows. Moving to the area of your forehead. Maybe feeling a tightness between your eyebrows, or other sensations here. And now bringing your awareness to the whole of your face. And imagining that you could go behind your face. Breathing into your face from behind, as if you're breathing into a mask. Refreshing your face from behind with your breath. And breathing back out from your face. Just playing with this, for your next few breaths. And now bringing your awareness upward into your skull. Right inside your skull. And your scalp. Any tingling or other sensations here. And now right up to the crown of your head. Inviting you now to imagine that there's a small opening in your crown, the size of a coin. A bit like the blowhole of a whale. And that you can breathe in through that hole, and out again. Breathing in, and out, through this imaginary hole, in the crown of your head. Breathing in, breathing out, through the crown of your head. And now if you'd like, imagining that you can breathe in through this hole in the crown of your head. And then your breath can travel right down all the way through your body, and breathing out through the soles of your feet. And then breathing back in, through the soles of your feet, letting your breath flow up through your body, and out through the top of your head. Just continuing with this. Breathing in through the crown of your head, down and out through the soles of your feet. And in through the soles of your feet, and out through the crown of your head. Riding the waves of your breath, as they wash through your body. And now just letting go of that image, lying here breathing naturally. Having a sense of your whole body, lying here breathing. Being present with whatever is here, right now. Not needing things to be different. Just opening to how things are, in this moment. Feeling your body, and yourself, as complete and whole. And coming to the end of your practice now. Perhaps making an intention to bring this state of gentle awareness into the next moments of your day. Paying attention to your body as you move out of your practice. Perhaps wriggling fingers and toes. Stretching. Maybe rolling over to one side and resting there before you get up. Taking care of yourself in the way that you move. And remembering that any time in your day, you can tune into the sensations of your body and your breath as a way of nurturing yourself. And bringing your awareness into the present moment.